Just putting the finishing touches on another typing masterpiece. The Rat Solves Christmas. Ready for publishing? Hit yes. Okay. Talk to me, baby. I think this rat is going crazy, crazy, oh. When I started typing, yeah. Oh, yeah. Keep on typing. I'll be writing stories by the ocean, baby. Oh, what?
Oh, Mr. Rat, that's the 14th time this month I caught you typing on my computer.
I see no other solution. This is what I do in my office.
You are not in your office.
Are you sure? It sure looks like my computer. Those are mouse droppings over there. Oh, really? I don't know about this. What's going on?
Oh, hey, Petrie.
Oh, you again. What's going on there, Ratster? I am not the Ratster. I am an artist. And I am a book publisher now. Look.
Whoa! You sent that out in...
Oh, that's my name. Oh, I forgot to add from a rat's perspective.
Oh, my goodness. All right, Mr. Rat, we have to talk about this. This is another rock brain moment for you.
What?
Because we've told you to stop doing things, and you keep doing things the same way over and over again. One, you're stealing my computer and using it without my permission.
What? Come up with something different. No, I only want to do it my way. Rock brain. What is rock brain?
Rock brain is, we're learning something called superflex. And it's about super flexible thinking. When you have rock brain moments, it means you keep doing the same things over and over. And for you, it's taking my computer over and over.
It's time for you to be done. No. Want a different idea? No.
What if Peter has a different idea? What if there's a different computer you could use?
I don't know if I want that. I only want it my way. Rock brain. What?
Again, another rock brain moment where you don't listen to somebody else's suggestions and you only want it your way. That's another rock brain moment.
Well, I think, basically, try to think of something new. No, I only think of one way, one time. It's my way.
All right, Mr. Rat. Sorry.
Anyway, I think I'm, time to go. If you're gonna keep watching, I can't keep publishing while you're here. Time to scat, little rat. All right.
Oh. Thank you, Petrie. Boy, I'm glad Petrie was here, too, to catch that, too. It's been tough. When you do things the same way over and over again, or when you're not able to listen to other people's ideas, that is kind of being like a rock brain. We need to have flexible thinking and to be able to think about other things to do, especially when other people are trying to help us think of an answer.
I'm gonna go find out and make sure he's not getting in any trouble.
Thank you, Petrie. I better do that too. But until then, thank you for watching and thank you for listening.